Hi. In this video, I will unpack the Thermaltake 85-watt 80+Gold certified full modular power supply and share my experiences with it. The box is provided with numerous pictures that clearly illustrate the unique features of the device. The manufacturer provides a 5-year warranty for the product. Opening the box, we see the multi-language installation guide and information sheet. Next to it, the cable package is placed in a separate fabric bag. Finally, the power supply is carefully packaged. The device is equipped with a 120mm diameter fan, which supports low power as well as the off state. On the other side, there are the modular connectors with the appropriate markings. In the bag, we get this power cable needed for installation, the mounting screws, and a pair of quick-release cable ties for cable management. I would have preferred to see a Velcro cable tie. The power cable seems to be of average quality. These are modular cables. They have the right length and markings. The cable is flexible enough that it will not cause any problems during installation. Fortunately, everything is clearly marked, so connecting the selected cables is very easy. Thanks to the new PCI standard, the device supports the new type of 12-volt power connector, which some newer NVIDIA cards require. I do not use this now. After connecting the necessary cables, we can install the power supply in the case. From this point of view, a case with a top power compartment is not necessarily the best choice, since the power supply heats up more easily here. But at least we get a more realistic picture of the fan noise. So what are your experiences? The power supply does its job perfectly. With average computer use, the fan in the device is off, only starting up under higher loads. But at a total load of about 600 watts, the fan noise can be said to be relatively loud, and the power supply housing is warm to the touch. In addition, I observed an interesting secondary noise. With minimal load, the power supply makes quite interesting coil noises at certain intervals. This does not affect the operation, of course, but I cannot recommend this power supply to anyone who might be bothered by such coil noise. Overall, this power supply can be a good choice for its price, but it may be worth considering choosing a higher category power supply for a more expensive computer.